Switch the ignition to on. Do not start the engine yet. Turn on the left turn signal. Right turn signal. No signal. Step on the brake. Release. Show me arm signal. Left turn. Right turn. Stop or slow. Show me defrosted. Emergency flasher. Emergency parking brake. Show how to use it. Push on and off. Good. Headlight. Honk the horn. Windshield wiper control. Start the engine now. Let's get started. This is the first test task. Drive straight between the two lines. Keep centered. Do not touch the lines. Stop at the front limit line. Make a full stop. Now reverse slowly. Keep the wheel straight. Look at your right mirror. Turn your head and look straight back. Split your attention. Half mirror, half rear view. Watch for pedestrians and hazards. Back up about 3 car lengths, then stop. The test starts now. Turn right. Stop, check left and right. This is a blind exit. Examiners watch this closely. Creep forward with control. Show clear left and right checks. Go only when fully safe. Approaching the first traffic light. The light is red. Come to a smooth stop. There is a bicycle ahead. Keep a safe following distance. Do not crowd the cyclist. Wait patiently. Turn right. A bike lane is on the right side. Check mirrors and blind spot first. Enter the bike lane when clear. Make a smooth right turn.
Good.
Stopped at the red light. Do not relax completely. Keep checking both sides. Stay aware of traffic around you. Be ready to move on green. Examiners expect active observation while waiting. Most San Francisco test streets have a 25-mile-per-hour speed limit. These roads are usually residential and often narrow. Traffic is commonly heavy in these areas. You will see many parked and temporarily stopped vehicles. Sometimes a lane may be partially blocked. Do not rush when this happens. Slow down and observe early. Plan your path before you move. Examiners watch speed control closely. They also grade hazard judgment and space management. Calm decisions and smooth control are very important. always stop. First come, first go. Make a full stop behind the line. Look left, right, left. No rolling stops. Go only when safe. Steep hill ahead. Visibility ahead is limited. That is why the limit here is 15 miles per hour. Keep your speed between 10 and 15. This is an always stop. First come, first go. Make a full stop behind the line. Look left, right, left. No rolling stops. Go only when safe. When stopped behind a car, keep a safe gap. You should just see the rear tires ahead. Examiners look at stopping distance. We are entering a work zone. Slow down and stay alert. Follow the cones. No workers are directing traffic right now. Keep your lane position clear. Green light ahead. Keep your speed controlled. Check left and right. Proceed smoothly. Turn left. This is an unprotected left turn. The light is green, but not protected. Wait in the intersection if needed. Keep your wheels straight while waiting. Yield to oncoming traffic. Yield to pedestrians. Turn left only when the gap is safe. Lane change to left ahead. Signal in advance. Check your left mirror and blind spot. If safe, change lanes smoothly. Keep your speed steady. Cancel the signal. Turn left. This turn was too wide. Stay tight to your lane. Finish in your lane. Wide turns can cause point loss. Turn right. Right turn on green. Right mirror check. Right blind spot check. Turn when clear. Blind spot checks are required for turns. Door hazard ahead. Slow down. Check traffic. Move left and go around safely. Turn left. After the intersection, turn right. Enter the DMV parking lot. That completes this practice Route 1.
Good job.